Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Master & Dynamic MW07 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. Now you can pick these up at Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $300. Now they come in 4 different colors. You got black quartz, blue steel, tortoise shell, and white marble. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to answer 3 questions. Number 1, are these worth $300? Number 2, are they better than the original MW07s? And number 3, what's the best noise cancellation earbuds to get? These, the Sonys, or the AirPods Pro? Let's find out. All right, so let's go through all of the features. Now these are made from premium materials, durable handcrafted acetate and polished stainless steel. These feature exceptional acoustics. Custom 10mm beryllium drivers deliver rich, expansive sound. Now check this out. 40 hours worth of playtime. So 10-hour battery life plus 3 additional charges with the case. Let's see anything else. Handcrafted acetate earphones, an elegant stainless steel charging case. Custom 10mm beryllium drivers, 40 hours worth of playtime. Earphones and case, quick charge to 50% in 15 minutes and 100% in 40 minutes. That's pretty good. 4 microphones provide best-in-class talk capability, freedom to use one or both earphones for independent listening and talk. Now you get your patented silicone fit wingtips, 3 sizes for ultimate comfort. These feature Bluetooth 5.0. They support SBC with aptX and quick pairing. Now the connectivity range, 100 feet. You got ambient sound mode and noise cancellation mode, and the IPX5 sweat and water resistant. Now the side note, just in case you're wondering what's the difference between the original MW07s and the MW07 Plus, let's run down the line real quick. Now besides the price, $250 versus $300. So right now these are $50 cheaper. There's 5 things that I can think of off the top of my head. Number 1, the Bluetooth connection. Now with the originals, you had 4.2. With the new ones, you got Bluetooth 5.0. Number 2, on the originals, you don't have ambient sound mode. With the new ones, now you do. Number 3, with the originals, no active noise cancellation. With the new ones, now you got active noise cancellation. Number 4, IPX4 water resistant. These are now IPX5. So you can get these a little bit more wet. Giggity. And lastly, now this is the biggest difference, battery. With the originals, you had 3.5 hours worth of playtime with an additional 3 charges, so that gave you a total of 14 hours. Now you got 10 hours worth of playtime with 3 more charges with the case, so that's going to give you a total of 40 hours. So the battery life is incredible. All right, so let's unbox these and see what it is. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Spider-Man on deck. Here we go. Rah. Now, one of the things I loved about the originals, that charging case is so sick. But if y'all watch my original video, I was not blown away by these. So hopefully these sound better. MW07 Plus, we got a nice presentation alert. Master & Dynamics logo. MW07 Plus. Okay, so inside, now you got that same stainless steel charging case. And the weight on this, the weight on this charging case, the video is not doing it justice. This is the heaviest charging case that I got. Now the Clips T5, that one is nice too, but this one is incredible. Let's see what else you get. Okay, quick start guide, plug it and file it. That's it for that. Let's see what else. Got your usual books and shit, plug those and file them too. Now you got a nice little canvas style carrying case. Okay, I like that. Pouch. All right, let's see what else you get. Now you got a bunch of different size ear tips. You got your large that come with the fins, like the wing tips. Let's see, you got extra small. You got regular small, small medium with the wing tips, extra large, no wing tips, and another set of large, different style. All right, so a bunch of different ear tips. We'll try them all out. This is going to be USB Type-C charging cable. All right, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. With a USB Type-C to USB Type-A, Type-A adapter. All right, so no charging brick. It is what it is. All right, so let's peel this off. Matter of fact, let's open this up. All right, now, if I remember last time, I got trolled by the same case I'm a little bit under the weather. All right, let me try. Okay, here it is. Now check this out. This is stainless steel. Let me show y'all the old one real quick. Now this case will get some wear and tear. Y'all see I beat this one up a lot. Well, when you first get it, it's gonna look crispy. Now inside, let's see, let's get this plastic out of here. Okay, here we go. This is the black color right here. Let's take these out. Here's how they're gonna look. Now these have more of a square design to them. Okay, let's see now. Does it have left and right branding? Stickers. All right, here we go. You see that little L? So you got your left and right branding. Now, on a side note, shout out to everybody that was trolling me when I did the Razer headphones. A lot of these wireless earbuds, when you take them out of your ears, the right side goes right into the right. The left side, you take it out your left ear, it goes into the left side of the case. Now, with some of these Chinese earbuds, when you take out the right earbud, it goes on this side. So it's vice versa. That's why I got confused in that last video. Yes, I do know my right from my left, okay? Now, with the charging case, you got these big bright LEDs. They do change colors to let you know how much battery life you got. USB Type-C charging. And that's pretty much it. Now, let's take these out one more time. Ooh, that color is tough. I like that. Let me show you a quick, let's do a quick size comparison with the originals. Okay, so these look pretty much exactly the same. Matter of fact, let's see if I could drop one in the case. Now, they won't. Okay, matter of fact, maybe they will. Maybe they will. Let's try that one more time. Now, it's not a correct 100% fit. Yeah, but pretty much the same size. You get my idea. I know. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. Let me pair these up, and then we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you take them out of the case, they'll automatically power up, and they'll be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the MW07 Plus. Next, let's check the fit and the look. Now, I played with a few different size wingtips. I like the medium. Gives me a nice, tight, comfortable fit. Let's do the head shake test on these. Now, that was maximum shakeage. I'd almost passed out. I'm a little bit under the weather, but these did not move 1 inch. Now, let me show you how they're going to look. Okay. That black marble is nice. More of a squarish look to them. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. All right, so since we tested out some real earbuds, I got a real song queued up. We got the Outfield, Your Love. Now I'm going to try these at max volume, active noise cancellation turned on. Let me grab my microphone. One tap for play and pause. Birdman hands rubbing together. Let's go. Josie's on a vacation far away. Come around and talk it over. So many things that I want to say. You know I like my girls a little bit older. I just want to use your love tonight. I don't want to lose your love tonight. White shoes, wherever you at, let's go. I ain't got many friends left to talk to. Nowhere to run when I'm in trouble. You know I'll do anything for you. Stay the night, but keep it undercover. I just want to use your love tonight. All right, hold on a second. Let me put my mic down. Let's hit pause. Oh. Now, as much as I love that song, I got to be honest with y'all. The volume level on these is trash. All right. Now, that's the same problem that I had with the originals. They're not that loud. Now I got on active noise cancellation, max volume, and I can hear my voice louder than the music. Granted, I do have a loud voice, but it ain't that loud. All right, there's no way I should be singing at my table and hear my voice louder than the music. So for $300, these is trash. Now, just to be safe, let me try a few more tests. All right, now I just want to make sure that I'm not being overcritical. So I pulled out my AirPods Pro, paired it up to an iPhone, same song, max volume, noise cancellation turned on. Let's try this again. Josie's on a vacation far away. Come around and talk it over. Now, you're definitely getting more noise cancellation with the iPhones. I got to scream to hear my own voice. Like my girl's a little bit older. I just want to use your love tonight. All right, let me wait for that beat to kick in. I don't want to lose your love tonight. Let's go. I ain't got many friends left to talk to. That's what I'm talking about. So when I'm in trouble, you know I'll do anything for you. Say the night, but keep it undercover. I just wanna use your love. This is how it's supposed to sound. Woo! I don't wanna lose your love tonight. Hold on. All right, hold up. See? Yeah, see? I know I wasn't just being overcritical. When I put in the AirPods, the hype level turned up. That's how the song's supposed to sound, all right? That's how it's supposed to sound. The MW07 Plus and the original MW07s, no volume, all right? They're just too low. And for $300, hell no. All right, the AirPods Pro, this is one time y'all gonna hear me say this on my channel. The AirPods Pro sound 100 times better. Noise cancellation, volume, instruments, everything. All right, now that's a big deal coming from me because I like everything above AirPods. But just now, side to side, no competition. Let me try a little bit more testing. All right, so I just tested these out with an iPhone and an Android phone. I tried out all my different streaming services. I got Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, Google Music. I tried all of the different songs from all of the different genres. And I got to be honest with y'all, on a scale of 1 to 10, these is trash. Now, I don't want to waste your time, so let me answer those 3 questions right now. Are these worth $300? And the answer is no. What would I be comfortable paying for these? 100 to maybe $150 because you got the stainless steel charging case and the battery life is pretty good. But anything more than $150, no. Next, are they better than the original MW07s? They sound exactly the same. The ambient sound mode is trash. Active noise cancellation, trash. Volume level, complete garbage. All right, the volume level on these headphones is garbage. And number 3, which one should you get for active noise cancellation? The Sonys, the AirPods, or the MW07 Plus? I would say go with the Sonys if active noise cancellation is your biggest thing. Then after that, the AirPods. Then after that, I wouldn't even buy these, like I said, unless they was $150. Maybe you find them on Black Friday. But the volume level on these is so garbage, you're gonna be mad. Now look, y'all know I hate wasting time and I hate making videos about products that I don't like. When I did the originals, my biggest gripe was the volume level. All right, as much as I love the stainless steel charging case, the weight and the feel and the look, the volume level makes these unusable for me because when I use earbuds for listening to music, chances are I'm in a loud environment. So if I'm sitting right here at this quiet table, okay, fine, I can rock these. But as soon as you get outside and cars start passing around, you at work and people talking and other TVs playing in the background, these are gonna get drowned out. The volume level is garbage. All right, so Master Dynamic, I don't know, whatever y'all doing, whoever's tuning these up, y'all need to add more volume. If these had 50% more volume, then we could talk. But as of right now, these is garbage. All right, 100% garbage. Now, I will finish the rest of my testing for everybody else that wants to see, and just in case y'all plan on buying these and trying them out for yourself. But for everybody else, the video's over. These is garbage. Let's finish the rest of the testing. All right, so I was going to finish my usual testing, but I got to rage quit because I don't like wasting time and I don't like playing games. And for me to make a full video on these earbuds, we'll be doing just that. Wasting time and playing games. So I'll make this short and sweet. On a scale of 1 to 10, these is garbage. The volume level is garbage, the active noise cancellation is trash, and the ambient sound mode is weak. All right, now if you can find these for $100 or $150 for Black Friday, do your thing. But if you spend 1 cent more than $150, you just got. Alright, take it from me. I got 1,001 sets of earbuds. You are not gonna like these, alright? And for $300, hell no. Alright, these is officially 100% garbage. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And again, I'm sorry for wasting your time and making y'all listen to all my singing, but it is what it is. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.